If this requirement has an implementation date of less than 1 year, or has an implementation date of 1 year, and the technology doesn't exist right now, particularly for bags with over pouches, I know the gentleman said in the challenge testing in the autoclave, but it's quite difficult to see leaks if you have an over pouch with no windows. So what will it be via risk assessment, or what justification will industry use to justify the interpretation of the requirement, and if applicable and the technology doesn't exist, what the next steps will be?
Yeah, let's say, I mean, by now we still hope for a Q&A document from EMA or the regulatory authorities, which would clarify this requirement prior to coming into force August next year. Until then, I think we can just operate with the risk assessment, yeah, and justify the IPCs, the controls we do have in place. And that's, for now, I think, the best we can do. And then just face the next inspection.
Thank you.
You're welcome.